Hello everyone. Most of the computer science students think that this is an AND gate. But no, this is just a symbol we use to represent the AND gate with inputs A, B and output Q. In this video, I am going to show you an actual AND gate. But before that, let me explain the working of AND gate with a truth table. So this is the truth table of AND gate that has inputs A and B and output Q. So as you can see, the AND gate will give high output only if both the inputs are high. If any of the input is low, the AND gate will give low result. The high result is only produced by AND gate if both the inputs are high. So this is the truth table and working of AND gate. As you know, AND gate is an electronic device. So it is made up of some transistors and resistors. So AND gate is basically made up of two NPN type of transistors, which I have labeled T1 and T2. The collector of transistor T1 is connected to the positive terminal or VCC. The emitter of transistor T1 is connected to the collector of transistor T2. The emitter of transistor T2 is connected to the output Q and to the ground VSS via a high resistance, that is R3. The base of transistors T1 and T2 is connected to the inputs A and B via resistance R1 and R2 respectively. So this is the circuit of AND gate and this is how AND gate works. And you might know that transistors are known as electronic switches in the electronics. So I have made a circuit on a breadboard. Let me show you. So this is an AND gate circuit, which you can see. It has two transistors, some resistors, two buttons A and B for inputs, and one LED. You can see I have used this LED for output. If LED is not glowing, that means the AND gate is producing low result, and if the LED is glowing, that means the output is high. So in the truth table, I have already shown the working. Now, if I press only one button in this AND gate, that means only if one input is high, the LED is not glowing, that means low result. If I press another button, again, only one button is high, another is still low, the LED is not glowing because AND gate is producing low result. But if I press both the buttons simultaneously, you can see the LED is glowing because AND gate is producing high result. If I am not pressing any button, that means both of them are low, then output is also low. When both the inputs are high, the output is high. So if you find this video useful, please press the like button, which will motivate me to bring explanation of other logic gates as well. Thank you.